Everyone, it's Andy here from Secrets to Trading 101 and back with another video. So in today's video, I want to do a breakdown on where Ethereum is at the moment because it is a steal. It's down 30% in the last 7 days. I've had a lot of people reach out to me regarding how do I buy Ethereum, when to buy Ethereum, failed transaction fees and OpenSea and stuff. So I'm going to be recording a how-to video series this week and it will be in a playlist, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, with that being said, guys, let's have a quick look at the market. I will break it down so you can see how to understand it. Those of you who are after Ethereum, there are some links in the comments box below for various places where we get Ethereum from. Full transparency, some of them are affiliate links. So it does help the channel, it does help us grow, so you can either go direct to them or you can help the channel out. Click on one of your affiliate links if you've not already signed up. So that will be with Coinbase or Binance or a company that we use in the UK called Wirex, which is really good. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into today's video. So those of you who know about the channel, Secrets to Trading, we are predominantly cryptocurrency and Forex traders, and we've recently ventured into the NFT market. Well, probably about 5 or 6 months now we've been in the trading NFTs, and for me the NFT market is probably easy trading because I understand this. Those of you who are new to let's just move my camera up actually. Let's just throw you there so we can see me a bit better, right? So those of you who are new to trading properly, with NFTs, it's easy. You're trading baseball cards, you're trading stickers. It's that type of thing. Pokemon cards, it's that type of thing, but digital. With Forex, we will start covering more Forex videos and stuff in the coming months. And I think why everybody is interested in NFTs and getting into NFTs, and while Ethereum is at an all-time low, it just makes sense to talk about Ethereum and talk about NFTs. So those of you who don't understand or don't know what this is a TradingView. So this is a TradingView Pro account. We've got multiple different indicators on here. It allows me to trade mostly when I'm trading the stocks or silver and gold and oil and commodities. And this is Ethereum on the daily. Okay, so I've just put a couple of lines in here, which is support and resistance lines, which you can see here. We've got VWAP, I think, or we've got estimated moving averages. So we've got the main ones, which is your 200-day, 20-day, and 50-day. We can see that we've had a death cross on the daily. So if we just, what I mean by death cross is, well, we're going to have a death cross is when the 200-day and the 50-day cross or the 100-day cross. You can see it's here. You can see when it crosses up, it goes up, and we can see it's crossed down. Now the 20 days cross through the 200. It's rejected here, and now it's broke this major line here, and it's coming down on the daily. I do think this is being manipulated. I do think it's like one push down before it goes back up, but it's never been a better time to get into Ethereum. So we'll just come off this a second. That is volume wells for those of you who know what that is. So like buying and selling pressure, you can see the major line here, and normally it correlates with where the trading volume is. So you can see here, see how it lines up basically. So you can see this support and resistance line lines up with the volume well really easy. So I could see it would have consolidated in that pattern here, then it broke down to another line here. And if we put that line in here, you can see that kind of falls with the volume well. So what that happens is if it breaks this support line here, it's going to come down to here, which is where we're at now, where the dotted line is, and literally on hand with the volume well. Really good indicator that if you've never used the volume wells. We've got stock RSI, so obviously overbought, oversold. This is MACD, but it's an advanced version of MACD with indicators built in. So it shows me there. So we should have turned back round here, but we rejected on the 20-day moving average, and we come back down to the support level here. We then had another run to try and get it up it, but the 200-day and the 20-day forced us back down, and then we broke right through here. So now we're here at this point. If we go back to previous, we can see this is April of last year. That was one of the highs there. So this is if I'm mapping up a chart, I will do it like that, and I'll put my support and resistance lines in. There is where I think we could go. if we were going to go to like the lower lows, I'd be thinking 1800. So let's just do that in red. And then if we follow it all the way across here, you can see if we just have it here. So the last time it was here was July of last year. It will probably consolidate here. You can see there's a lot of buying pressure here now in the volume well. We need to get back above and stay above 2600, which you can see here. If I just hover over the dotted lines, you can see if we go back here, you can see that was previously support and resistant, and it's lining up with the volume well really easily. So if we come over to the volume well, you can see it's lining up there, that dotted line. That around about 1800 and 1700, around about $1,800 is the low, where I reckon we're gonna see a push down to 2000 if we do a secondary red line there. And then what we'll do here, just so you can see it a bit more, is there's a lot of leftover money here. Obviously it was picked up here and here. But yeah, if we do that, just so you guys can see there, and then we join it up a bit here to here. There we go. So let me just come back down. I hate how TradingView does this now, those of you familiar with TradingView. So yeah, I can see it coming down to here. We started to turn up a bit here, but we've not crossed over back on the MACD. Indicators are showing a strong sell. So it is selling pressure come in. Recording this video now, it's 11:30 UK time, so it's like what, nearly 4 o'clock, what is it, 5 hours behind. It's about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. So not Wall Street or anything's not woke up yet. I can see this coming back down to here, guys. I really can. It's gonna go for 2,100 today, maybe wick down above, and then I think it's going to consolidate around here for the next few days. So again, it's never been a better time to buy Ethereum. If we then look at the 4 hour, we can see the volume. Again, it's coming back down. We should have had a bull run here. These normally indicators are there, so it's deliberately being suppressed at the moment, in my opinion. So yeah, normally indicators show when it's going to go down based on the EMAs. Really good setup this. I'll talk about this in other videos. If you're interested in this type of thing, we are going to be doing more videos on this. Just put in the comments box below, and I can always, what you're looking into, what you're interested in, I can always review different charts and that for you. So we had a massive sell-off here in the middle of the night. So obviously this is like Japanese and Australian markets, and it's trading off. It's still trading below this 20-day. We need it to come back up and consolidate. There is the volume at 2,300. I generally think we're going to break 2,200. You can see the wicks trying to break here. If we go into the 2 hour, we can see again, look at that volume, look at the sell-off pressure here. Again, it can't get above the 20-day moving average. We had all this buying pressure here, and it didn't move. It's not moved at all, and now it's selling off again. This should look like it's coming back up like this, and it's not. I can see another push down here today to just exhaust it. So I can see it coming into this range. So if you can pick up some Ethereum between 2,100 and 1,800, then pick it up, because I reckon it's going to consolidate in here for a while before it shoots back up. We go to the 15-minute chart. And yeah, there's barely any movement on the 15-minute chart. You see all these indicators again have been pushed down at the moment. It works better on other stuff, but you can see it is being suppressed. So let me just go to like a 5-minute. There's nothing really happening. You see all this sell volume here happened from like this morning. So there could be some FUD. I've not checked Bloomberg or anything like that, but we can check it. But you can see it's just been selling off here until it crosses over here on the MACD, until this crosses over, until it gets above these EMAs. It's a strong sell on Ethereum. So just try get Ethereum, just accumulate Ethereum as and when you can. But that's it. Short and sweet. Upcoming projects or any projects that I'm involved in at the moment. So yeah, Ape Invaders is a good one that I'm in at the moment. So think a bit like Creeps. So let's have a look. So in a 24-hour volume, so a bit like Creeps Genesis. We have a look at a 24-hour volume. This is another one that I'm into, but Mecha Apes, again, I was on the fence with Mecha Apes, and that's popped off. You win some, you lose some. Ape Invaders is really good. You can stake the apes and you get Stardust. At the moment, one Stardust coin is worth $3. Each ape gets you round about 1 to 4 to 5 Starburst a day, depending on if you take part in the invasion and the staking and stuff. At the moment, they're on offer. You can still selling. OpenSea's playing up a bit, so it keeps going up and down and up and down. But yeah, there's 5,500 in this. If we have a look at the items, there is currently a lot staked. So there's only 10% left to buy. There's a lot staked. And yeah, it's kind of low floor. It's not really a thin floor, but it's a low floor at the moment. So yeah, I think they're going to be doing another round on that today. But these are selling really well. The art looks really cool, and the utility and the staking is good. You can swap Stardust on decentralized exchange such as SushiSwap and things like that to get Ethereum. So that is good. Another one we're into at the moment is Cool Monkeys. So Cool Monkeys Genesis, I was able to get one of the, I only bought one to be honest, at 0.11 ETH, and it's one of the top 1,000, so like top 10%. Really thin floor on these. I can see this is still a trending one. I can see this going probably to 1 ETH today. They're bringing out staking today. You can see it's trading in minutes and hours, not hours and days. So you can see 75 ETH. So the DR1's getting picked up quite well off the floor. Again, look at the floor. I reckon this will be 1 ETH today. Might try and bag a couple more of these if I can. If we just have a look here, so anything under 9 and 1 ETH. So there is 1,461 for sale, of which 448 are under 1 ETH. So yeah, you can see the floor, look, 49.54, 64, 65, 66. So yeah, it's about half an ETH at the moment. I do see these next day or two going to above 1 ETH. It's a bit like Alien Ferns. It's got really good volume, and again, staking facility coming out on that one as well. But that's it. Hope that's helped you guys when you're questioning about when to buy Ethereum. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.